Hello, and welcome to my new one question tutorial series. This time, we're going to talk about Pinterest. And we're going to start with the question, is Pinterest for you? And to answer that, we're going to take a look at what Pinterest is. I have a very old personal account on Pinterest, and we're going to start by looking at that. So let me share my screen. Pinterest is an online pin board or bulletin board. It is like creating visual bookmarks. To share anything on Pinterest, there must be a visual. It can be a photo or a video. And there are three main ways you can use Pinterest on a personal level. You can use it as a personal bulletin board where you save things that interest you. This, where we are now, is the home page. But let's go to my profile page here. And here you can see different boards, as they are called, or pin boards. And these are things that interests me. Lappsmycken, that's in Swedish, and that is lappish craft. Man's best friend, of course, is about dogs. Fun furniture, and so forth. So let's take a look here. I click on man's best friend, and here I have collected some photos I have found online and some that I have uploaded myself. You can use it for collecting recipes, for example, or craft work, or whatever interest you have, your personal bulletin board. You can also use it as a source of ideas. On this homepage is a lot of things connected to my interest, which I will show you in another tutorial how we can set up your profile and install Pinterest. It comes both as an app and on the web. So here I have a lot of suggestions, and as you can see, there is quite a lot of craft. I have collections of tattoos, and then there is, of course, a lot of commercials here. I am not gonna talk at all about Pinterest for business in this series. This is all for personal use. So you can get a lot of ideas from your interest that can support and create new ideas for you to create or bake or cook or whatever it is you are collecting. And as I said, it can also be a way for you to share your content. Halloween is another of my interest. Here I have collected a lot of ideas for makeup. But as you see, I have also put up images of my own. So Pinterest can be an excellent way for you to share your own content. So is Pinterest for you? If you have a hobby, if you are creative in any way, or if you have a specific interest, my answer is definitely yes. It's an excellent way to get inspiration, to share your interest with others, and organize things that you will save for yourself. In tomorrow's video, I will show you how you can create your own Pinterest account and download the app if you prefer the mobile version. Until then, hej då!